Hi, I'm Steve with Absolutely Floored, and I wanted to go over some of our carpets today. Our best-selling carpet in our store here at Absolutely Floored, Unit 5, 3160 Westwood Street in Port Coquitlam, is our Smart Strand carpet, particularly the line the Smart Strand Silk, which is the softest, most luxurious carpet in the industry. It features the best warranties in carpet, including a lifetime warranty for stains, soil, full pet warranty, covering everything. The carpet is virtually stain-proof, and the carpet is also made from 37% corn oil. It has extremely low amount of VOC off gas. It actually uses 67% less energy to manufacture than a traditional nylon or polyester carpet. So the carpet is a lot better for the environment. It's the easiest to clean up with the new NanoLock technology, and the durability is excellent. So I highly recommend this carpet for any type of application. We actually use it in the showroom at the store itself, and we're extremely happy with it. So again, thanks for checking out our video. Absolutely Floored at 3160 Westwood Street, Port Coquitlam, and our phone number is 604-941-6677. Thanks again.